Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica XS espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up replacing this shower screen that you see right here. As you can see, it's a little burnt now, so it was best to replace. We also replaced the brew unit, this one that you see right here. This is the older one of the machine. We also descaled the machine, deep clean everything inside, clean up the spouts, descaled it, replace the shower screen, replace the O-ring from the mechano valve and clean a little bit around it. So there, that's what we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Right now it's joining the carefully. It's coming out through this funnel. We also cleaned this specific funnel as well because it was full of coffee grounds. Nice and steady stream coming out of the spouts. Great color as well. Looking great. Now we're going to be testing the steamer. Nice heavy steam coming out of the machine. You can no longer see it because we have the open, but it's a nice heavy pressure and excellent temperature as well. Working great. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica XS working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and subscribe to the channel.